Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day 2 of our Read Write Ink videos for this week. Today we are going to be doing our Fred finger spelling, so you will need a pencil and your literacy jotter to join in and write down our words. So, boys and girls, who can remember what sound we have been practicing this week? What sound have we learnt this week? That's right, ow, ow. And it looks the same as oh, blow the snow because it's made up of the same 2 letters, but it sounds differently. Brown cow, ow. What 2 letters make up this sound? That's right, it's O and W. Ow. Okay, Miss Brown has got some cards that we are going to do. Let's have a look. Okay, first word is cow. How many Fred fingers does the word cow have? Thinking time. 1, 2, 3. Show me your Fred fingers. 2. Can we pinch the sounds? K, ow. Cow. Your turn. Cow. I would like you to write it down. What type of K do you think it is? Cow. Okay, let's check to see if we are correct. First sound is K. What type of K is it, boys and girls? That's right, curly K. Curl round the caterpillar. K. K. Ow. Ow. Special friend sound. O and W. Well done. Underline our special friend. Let's check to see if we've got it correct. K. Ow. Cow. Your turn. Cow. Cow. Let's tick our fix. Well done. Okay, moving on to our second word. How many Fred fingers does the word down have? Down. Thinking time. Down. How many Fred fingers? 1, 2, 3. Show me. 3. Let's pinch together. D, ow, n. Down. Your turn. Down. Down. Write it down. Good job. Three Fred fingers, remember? Down. Okay, let's write it down. First sound is D. D. Good job. D. Ow. N. D. Ow. N. Ow. Special friend made up of 2 letters, 1 sound. O and W. And the final sound, D, ow, n. Well done. Down, Nobby, and over his net. D, ow, n. Down. Can you check? Down. Down. Well done. Tick or fix, boys and girls. Now remember, we don't rub out and Read Write Ink, so if you've made a little mistake, just write it correctly underneath, okay? Our final one. We are off to a flying start, boys and girls. Our final word is brown. Like Miss Brown's second name. Brown. How many Fred fingers is in brown? 1, 2, 3. Show me. Let's pinch together. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Can you do it? Brown. Brown. Write it down, boys and girls. I hope you get this one correct. Okay, first sound is B. Well done. Second sound, R. Robot. Third sound, B-R-O. Special friend sound, O and W. Remember to underline. And our final sound, N. Excellent work. Let's check to see if it's correct. B-R-O-N. Brown. Can you check? Well done. Tick or fix. Boys and girls, we have learned to write some OW words. Now you can go on and to do more of your OW words, you will find your words in the Google Classroom under Read Write Ink. There's a little document that you can open and practice more of your OW words. You also have your reading book as well, so remember your super speedy sounds, your red tricky words, your story green words, and then read your book through as well. I would like you to give yourself a huge big clap, boys and girls, because you have been superstars. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3 of Read Write Ink. Bye, boys and girls.